Yeah, wait. Just wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in it teed up. I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it. They tell like these niggas won't beat me. They can't. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me. I'm him. I'm a gym in the soil. It's by the time I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture. They more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle. I'm leaving the key in.
As soon as I seen it, I wanted it.
I need them to see me. Yeah, I know it's my season. My family.
So now I got my key.
Solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it dole, I've been taking mines. Niggas scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I been a head case, Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn two ends of the candle. Wanna be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody, now she never did want me. She talking real naughty, nah, I ain't sorry, bitch, slept on they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud in this bitch, I'm real rowdy. I'm going off, had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas. I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, this my tandem. I do this for life.
This is one of the most satisfying things to look at. Not the most, but one of.
In the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I'm solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it dole, I've been taking mines. Niggas scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I bought up my fist. Bitch, part of my glitz, stick a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a bitch real quick. Fresh when I dress, take a look at my stitch. Think I lost my sense. Word to the neck, I've been acting real different. Know I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my shit. I've been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my shit. Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I've been on edge, I've been living too quick. I can't get to sleep, knowing it's all in my reach. Know I've been living too fast. Look in my eyes and don't blink.
Promise I ain't ever traded sides. Know that I'm not out here living right.
Crazy the shit that we made it through.
Pray that you find what you're looking for.
Don't shrink for all the people that you're leaving behind. Grow because there are people who are waiting on you.
The beauty of my own story is that I allow me to define myself.
Switch that V6 for the EV, ride it around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip out water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never.
Alright, I'm finally done for today's dinner. And this was the option. We had chicken sausage and roasted tomato and linguine with Parmesan. So this ain't too bad. I like it. See, I'm satisfied. I'm about to eat. Tell y'all how it tastes. this is a repeat for me. I'll be making this again in the future. Once you get more competent on reading instructions and taking them, your meal gets a lot easier to prepare and cook. I'm gonna finish eating up, start watching some TV. I appreciate you joining me. Let's see what we have for dinner tomorrow. Y'all take care.